What I found incredible about mentorship was it's a shortcut to success. I remember there was a producer that we had worked with on a number of records, and he knew me as an assistant engineer. But one day I got a call from him and he said, hey, I've got this record that I want you to work on for this fairly well-known artist. I was like, oh, okay, cool. Well, who's the engineer? He's like, you are. Like, I want you to mix this record. And I said, I don't know if I'm good enough to do that job for you. And he said, you're absolutely good enough. We're doing it. And that belief was incredible, and it was super scary. And I went in there and mixed this whole record with him. And turns out I knew him as a client. I knew him as a producer with the engineer that I usually work with, but he turned into another mentor. And that experience gave me a lot of cred because the record did really, really well. And then all of a sudden people just started calling me. And that all came from the faith that this person had in my abilities after he had gotten to know me in the context of me working as an assistant on other things.